Here is how you can do everything. Here's the link. It is completely without a content. This is a home. So I will log in as admin. Here the username, and the password is that I sent to you on WhatsApp. Okay, after doing that, this is the admin dashboard. Okay, here is all setting about your Moodle website. Here you can find your courses that you created. You can click here to manage, here to create, and here is the site setting. Okay, all customization you can do here: notification, registration, feedback, advanced AI, and so on. And other setting you can find here for users. Okay, all things about user permitting to have access to the course or to register to your website of Moodle. You can do everything here. Okay, add a user management, user default, user profile field, everything you can do about. And you can see more. You can see like courses, grades, plugins, appearance, development. The most interesting thing is the about courses. So you can manage, you can add categories, you can add a new course, you can restore a course, you can download, you can do everything. Okay, here is all about setting of the website: general, users, courses, grades, plugins. So to edit anything, you need to click this one up here. Okay, so when it is set like this, it means you can edit anything. Okay, so when it is like this, it means that edition is disabled. So let's get started about how to add some courses. Okay, first you click on here. Let me go back on home page. Okay, being here on home page, you come like here site, administration, more, and courses. The first thing, you must add a category. Okay, for example, you are teaching about letter A. So you can try to give category like alphabet. Okay, I can write here like alphabet. Okay, alphabet like this. ID category is a number just to identify. Okay, but doesn't matter, you can let it so without writing here. Description for the category, it is not necessary, but if you want, you can add. Okay, so this is the new category we are going to create for everything. For every courses that we're going to create about alphabet. Okay, so by this way we have here two category: alphabet and category 1. This category 1 is this comes by default when the Moodle is installed. Okay, after doing that, we go back down here and we click on courses, and we click here add new course. First you add course name. For example, I was saying about letter A. In this course, people will learn everything about letter A. Course short name is required. Okay, I can put like A. It depends on you. Here you can choose the category. Okay, like this alphabet, okay, because this course is related to alphabet. Reason why is necessary to create a category first and then the course. Course visibility. Here you can either prefer to show the courses or to hide. When you click like this show, it will appear on the first page, okay. So if you don't if you select hide, no one will be able to see the course, okay. So I will let it as visible. Course start date, you can choose when do you want that this course can be accessible, okay. So as today is 27, I will put here like 27. I want to be accessible today, okay. And the end time course, I want that this course can never end. Course ID, if you want to put a number to identify the course, you can put here. I can put it like 1. Course description, you can say so that the student can understand about what they will learn in the course. You can write like in this course you will learn all about letter A, okay. It's just, if you want to add an image, you can click here. If you want to add the end video, you can click here. If you want to add a link, also everything. Course image, okay, you can choose a course image. Let me try to upload a file. Click on here. This is like a thumbnail when you are creating video on YouTube, okay. The here an image like this one, okay, is uploaded. So this is the image of the course. You can choose here like course format. Normal, I recommend you to choose the custom sections, okay, but according to your needs you can choose like a weekly, but I will let it like a number of sections. You can add the number of sections. Number of section corresponds number of lessons, okay. Sections is where you can add lessons, okay, but you can add it later, no matter. You can choose like 1 and then you can add it there, and I will show you later. After that, we go to appearance, force language. You can choose language like English. Number of announcements, normally you can like this. Show grade book, yes. Show activity report, yes. Activity date, okay. Maximum upload size, the maximum upload size that the student can upload when they are having lessons. You can choose like a 100 MBs. Enable completing graphics. Sometimes you can have like a group of students, okay. So if you have a group of students, you can choose the course that you created can be visible with certain groups. Force group mode is not necessary because there are no tags, also is not necessary, and we can create, save and display. Okay, I can skip the tower. So let's come to, as you can see here already we already have here the first course, and the teacher is Nicole Makwakwa. When you click to the course, you find just nothing on the courses. As I was saying, each section corresponds one lesson. So let's see how can we add lessons on the course. For example, you said you want to add like videos or files. Okay, first, for every moment you want to change something, you click on it, on this part, on this side here. Okay, after that you can see like add a button to add plus 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 plus. It's general. You can add like a title. Let's see some activity here. You can add here like book is database, feedback, file is forum. Forum is where teachers or students can chat together when they are having lessons. Lessons, quiz, page, test, and so on. We have here activities and we have resources, and all they appear here. Okay, let me add a resource, a test, and this test will be like welcome. This test will be like welcome to the course. Letter A. Okay, title is not necessary, but if you want you can add it. You can add like image. If you had already created an image for welcoming people, you can add the image here like this. And save. Okay, needs the description and save. So now we can add the lessons here. This is lesson number 1. So we click here, activity, for example, file. As you said, you want to add a PDF, okay? PDF. So let's go call this like letter A, animals. All animals that start with the letter A. So the file, you can choose here and choose here upload file. As we are speaking about the file is PDF. We can choose this one and upload, and is done. You can add a description for the lesson if you want. If you want to add a video too, you can add, but this lesson is all about file only. Okay, save and return it to the course. So here you can rename, write like lesson lesson 1, and then you can write the name of the lesson, and it's done. So this is the lesson number 1. Okay, it is already saved, and you can go adding more lessons here. Just click and add activity. It will depend on what you want your student to have. Okay, if it is a quiz, a page, a video, and so on. And you can add more sections. Each section corresponds to each lessons. Okay, like when you click to add section, you are clicking to add more lessons. Okay, or you can remove a lesson. Okay, you can remove each lesson. I can open and see what is inside of the first lesson. Okay, I can see here it's just a an example. If it's a video, let me try to add a video so that it can be more clear. Okay, first let me rename the name of the lesson. I can add like lesson number 2 and the name of the lesson, Fruits with A. Let me add here a video, text and media. I can click here to upload a video like this. Choose this one and it's done, and I can click save. So the video is already uploaded. Save and return to the course. So if I want to see the course as a student, I need to disable this one and then go to home page and click to the course and see the welcome. Open the first lesson. I can open the second one. This is the video, and the student can watch the video exactly here. Yeah.